unbox this monocular which I bought from the Amazon. Now I am going to unbox it and show you what inside it and how that monocular works and its zooming power. All about it. Just see my video and you will get all information which you want to need. Wait for a minute. Now the box is opened. It's time to see what's inside it. It's a panda binocular. It's basically it is a monocular, but it is written pandas binocular. Now what's inside it? This is the monocular and it is panda, and this is the compass. Okay, and this is the bag. What next? Clothes for cleaning, silica gel clip for the mobile holder, one strap, and one stand. Okay, and they also provide user manual which is written in English and Chinese only. No other language is written on that. Now it's time to check its performance. Now it's time for overall review, and it's my opinion it's a good product for the beginners, and the zooming power is good. You can even zoom up to 500 meter, and the lens is extremely good at this price. And one who want to buy a cheap monocular, go for it, and it's a good for the beginners. But the problem is the stand is extremely weak and it can't even hold the weight of the monocular and the weight of the mobile, so you have to purchase another stand which is strong, but it is given free in this monocular. And the free Chinese product, you know the performance of the free Chinese product, so I am upset with this stand. But the monocular is extremely awesome. I will provide the link in my description box. If you want to buy it, or just see. I have some pictures with zoom and without zoom, and you can see the difference between them. From my home, and you can see them clearly. The zooming power is awesome and the focal length is also awesome. So my opinion, you can go for it and buy it if you want to buy the monocular. And value for the money, I will give 4.5 star, and for adjustment I will give 4.5 star, and for price I will give 4.5 star. And for stand I will give only 1 star because it's really a cheap Chinese product. But the overall, the monocular is awesome. And you can see that the mountain behind the temple, which is approximately 1 kilometer from my house, and even you can see that the trees on that mountain. It's awesome. I think its zooming power is more than 500 meters, and it's awesome panda lens. As I read on the internet, the panda lens are extremely good, and it's really good. It's work. Go for it, buy it. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.